Hello, I'm Meredith Williams, and I'm here to introduce you to a new way of automating your forms management process. The system I'm going to show you was developed to provide you the ability to apply business rules and conditional logic to automate the way you manage and control changes to all of your hospital's clinical and business process forms. Managing hundreds or even thousands of forms in your hospital can be time-consuming, expensive, and can introduce additional risks. We know that most of you have a vendor relationship that helps you manage your forms once they're in production. But what about the pre-production workflow that happens before a form is approved, developed, and produced? FileBound is a collaborative tool that allows every member in your team, as well as your forms vendor, to be involved and accountable for their roles in ensuring the compliance of forms and documents critical to your business and clinical operations. FileBound Forms Manager was developed through research and input from our hospital clients, industry analysts, and consultants. Let's first talk about all the forms management challenges that a typical hospital faces. These include version control, making sure everyone is using the most recent version of a form, tracking all of the change requests, maintaining control and reporting for regulatory compliance, and containing all operational costs associated with forms management. What if there was a way to totally automate the management of this process? What if the real-time status of every form was tracked in an easy-to-use system? What if your forms were automatically queued and routed to committee members based on rules, schedules, and assignments? What if all your forms, regardless of their origin, could be stored in one place? Let me show you how our Forms Manager solution can make all these things a reality. What you're seeing here is the FileBound Forms Manager solution. A typical forms process starts with the submission of a request for review. Once the request is submitted, the system automatically decides how to process it. In this example, the system is automatically routing the request based on its type. That decision determines the process and the participants. Any variations in your processes can be easily managed through the system. Let me show you a typical request. This request initiates the approval process. With a few clicks, I've added a draft of the form I'm requesting and submitted it for review. A reviewer will be notified, and the request will automatically be assigned to them. From here, the reviewer can open the form. They are presented with these options and have the ability to add notes, view past revisions, or digitally sign the document. Just like that, thousands of forms can be managed within the system. All of the review rules and assignments are stored and executed within the system, eliminating all the costs and hassles of that manual process. Let's look at some of the forms management improvements FileBound provides, such as process control through the automated request processing we just saw. It also creates a structured repository for all your forms in one place. You ensure your compliance by automated alerts when a form needs to be reviewed. And you contain costs by eliminating labor through collaboration, which limits committee meetings. Finally, you can ensure patient safety when you always have the right form. FileBound streamlines your forms processes and literally pays for itself by saving time, reducing labor, and eliminating mistakes. FileBound can be implemented quickly with zero interruptions to your staff and operations. Contact us to answer any questions you might have about the FileBound solution. We look forward to working with you.